Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. If the points P1, 2, B0, 0 and CA, B are collinear, then we have to determine the relationship. Now we know when 3 points are collinear, slopes of lines formed using 2 points at a time will be equal. So with points P, B and C, we have lines. Slope of PB should be equal to slope of BC, and both of these should be equal to slope of PC. Now in order to determine the relationship between A and B, we can equate any of the two slopes here. So let's write them down. Slope of line formed by any 2 points is always given by y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So in this case, slope of PB will be 0 minus 2 upon 0 minus 1, which should be equal to slope of BC. So that is equal to B minus 0 upon A minus 0. And both of these should be equal to B minus 2 divided by A minus 1. So in order to find the relationship, quick and easier way, we'll use these two equivalent fractions. So 0 minus 2 is minus 2, 0 minus 1 is minus 1, and minus 2 divided by minus 1 is plus 2. B minus 0 is B and A minus 0 is A. So that is equal to 2A equal to B. So we got relationship between A and B as 2A equal to B. So answer is option A.